Meet Zig, the programming language that's blowing benchmarks away. Zig is a systems programming language that's gaining traction for its performance and reliability. With a focus on robustness and maintainability, Zig is designed to be a more efficient and safe alternative to C. Its compiler is capable of producing highly optimized machine code, resulting in significant performance gains. By avoiding the overhead of runtime checks and garbage collection, Zig enables developers to write fast and efficient code. According to the TOB index, Zig has seen a 300% increase in popularity over the past year. Companies looking to optimize their applications can benefit from Zig's performance capabilities. Its simplicity and flexibility make it an attractive choice for building high-performance applications. As noted by Andrew Kelly, creator of Zig, it's designed to be a robust, optimal, and clear alternative to C. Developers are already seeing impressive results with Zig. Are you ready to supercharge your coding skills? If you're as excited about Zig as we are, show us your enthusiasm. Hit that like button, drop a comment below, sharing your thoughts on Zig, and subscribe for more game-changing tech insights that'll take your development skills to the next level.